Evolution is the gradual development of something, especially from a simple to a more sophisticated form. We've evolved the wake boat from one-dimensional function to intelligent, multifaceted performance multiplied by valuable features and options. At the core of our innovation is you. We know you because we are you. We build the boats we want to own. From the early mornings to full days on the water and the late nights driving home, the evolution of the wake boat is powered by us all. The evolution of our designs is not just a result of changes in style. Our engineers listen to customer feedback with purpose and redesign based on your changing needs. We've always built great surf boats, but your input has helped us change and improve thoughtfully throughout the years. Wake surfing is in our DNA, and it's your reaction that's the catalyst elevating Centurion boats to the next level. As we embark into the future, we strive to give people unique experiences and make their lives better. We like to think we're creating a wave of positive change, waking positive experiences in the lives of our families, our community, and our world. Whether punching in on the factory floor or dropping in for that next ride, both require a never-ending commitment to do better and be better, no matter the cost. So what do you say? Are you with us?